Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on a REALME C75. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and click install. And now you can click open. And here you can click set as default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm it with data and privacy settings. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.